Hi guys, we're currently here at NAIA Terminal 3 because we're heading to
Vietnam. Danang. Vietnam.
yun, kakapas lang namin ng I.O. Then actually, mas nauna si Amor. Sige nga, share mo. Ano yung tinanong sa'yo?
Siyempre, yung usual, kinuha yung ticket, passport, and then yung company ID, kung saan ka nag-work. Tapos nung prenesan ko na, tinanong kung may physical address. Sabi ko, meron.
Wala nang ibang kasi yun.
Wala namang ibang information na yun.
Kung ilang araw ka doon, Kenenso.
Wala.
Sino kasama?
Tinanong kung sino yung kasama, tapos tinuro kita, tapos kung anong relationship.
Tapos lusok na.
Sabi ko, boss ko po, manager, amo.
Well, sa akin naman is, ayun, as usual, boarding pass and passport. Then, company kung saan ka nag-work, ID, sino kasama. Tinuro ko lang din siya. Then, ano pa ba yung, ayun, kung may credit card ako. Then, pinakita lang yung physical card. Then, good to go na. Yeah, that's it. Then, right now, nakikill time lang kami. We're having some instant noodles.
Para may comparison yung
Mm-mm.
noodles sa Pinas.
Ate ko compare niya sa pho.
Okay ka?
Baka, tingnan pa natin. Ano pa ba yung menu sa likod?
May tiyo. Sada.
Blended drinks. Ito, kung ayaw mo magkape. Let's hold on. Okay. One milk coffee and one salted coffee. Okay. We'll get one Saigon milk coffee and one salted coffee. Thank you. Okay, order with salted coffee. And this is a more Saigon milk coffee. I-taste it bago ko bigyan mo.
Yung mix it na.
Yeah. If you're good na with that, hindi ko nalalagyan ng cream.
Kasi kaya na matapang, but
Tolerable.
ipot.
Mga ilang scoop.
Kuha na siya.
Naikot mo, nasa straw point ako.
Kuha na lang.
Okay. Careful.
Dalawa na pala.
Now we have 2 salt coffee. So, ganito siya si dessert, then may kasamang ice. So, i-mix ko muna bago ko ihalo dun sa ice. Okay. What's this? Sit and I do love the place though. Ang cute lang ng setup. Here. Tapos, makikita mo yung kalsada. Okay. Yeah. It's pretty good here. Mainit lang, but
Kunin mo yung gamit ko.
it looks so good. At kita dito yung Dragon Bridge. Wow.
Kita mo yung buong ano. Panorama na. Pwede ka magpanorama.
Tuwa ang bata. Ano lang, no? Hindi malalim. Isang ano lang.
Tignan mo.
Isang height lang.
May nakikita ka bang squatter dito? Wala tayo sa Pinas eh.
Nazo.
Telephone and email, right?
Yes.
Sure. Sign. One person.
Alright.
1,400,000 for 2 people.
Okay. I'll pay card.
Yes, cousin.
15 million total.
Joe,
Card.
go up the mountain and give the key to the reception. To me.
Alright. So there's another reception upstairs.
Hello.
Of course.
Huh?
Ah, thank you.
I can have you. Want to be afraid? Can you play? Thank you. Come in.
Oh, may kasapat na beer. talaga mag-high heels dito. What is that? Incense? This one looks cute. And here. Sobrang ganda ng view dito. Look at that. Yung jowa mong plantito, ayan. Sige, hanap ng bulaklak. Sige. Lahat. Pasukin. Asa na? Asa na yung picture?
Wala pa.
Yung purple, ayun. Oh. Sige, kaya mo yan. Pag ako pipicturean, daming seremonyas. Pero pag bulaklak, for the effort. So here, I folded the mirror. My sink right here. Then on my right, there's a shower. And of course, toilet. I forgot to show yung closet. Merong ayan, kabayo and 2 rooms. Dito ko nalagay yung isang luggage namin. And then here, my fridge. Okay, safe. And yung luggage ko nandyan na. And here is our deluxe king bed. On the side, there's table. Yeah, it's a king bed. And a cute swan. And here on the side, mayroong lounge. And here, working table na tinungtungan na namin ng mga gamit namin. And the heater. And of course, the TV. And may mga pink photos here. And of course, we have the view. Huh? I don't know how to open this one. The French Village. Isn't it pretty?
Zero bilisibity, zero visibility, zero bilisibity.
Actually, pang ilang subo ko na. Ngayon ko lang naisipan video na kumakain ko. Lakas na lang din sa notes. Hindi ko kung kita niyo. Or wala na kayong makita.
Natikman mo ito?
Natin. Teka mo muna.
Ito masarap pa.
Hindi pala masyado makakahang yung sili nila. Hello, still here in Bana Hills. And it's raining. So, pupunta ako sa Fantasy Park kasi need ko i-rebook yung Alpine Coaster since hindi kami makakasakay. At hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta.
NANI?!
Paano to? Fantasy Park. Ito kaya yun? Should I go down? Check ko na lang. Lipat. Oh, ito pala yung Pop Mart. At namasyal pa daw siya. Ang lamig. Puti na lang nakasweater ako. Kanina, akala ko pa overdressed ako eh. Since nakasweater ako, tas direct yung araw. Tapos nagpapakita na yung fog. So yung jowa ko na yung underdress. Dito wala na masyadong tao. Yay! Nahanap mo nga yung fantasy park. Huwag ka nang mabataan. Pero ang ganda. I help myself. Sorry. Susan Nani. Hello, good evening. Update. Nahanap ko yung Fantasy World. Sadly, hindi nila ako matutulungan to book since I booked the Alpine Coaster online. So the only choice I have is to refund it through Agoda on where I booked the Alpine Coaster. So I have no other choice but to book another Alpine Coaster ride online. Yeah. So here's a quick review of the Banana Hills at night. I'm heading back to the hotel since wala naman akong ding gagawin pa dito. Babalikan ko si Amor since naiwan siya sa room. Nag-take siya ng nap kasi nga maulan and expecting na baka tumigil. Pero since hindi naman tumitigil, siguro mag-rest na lang sa room. Else, hanap ng dinner spot while using this umbrella. We'll see. No.
Oh, there is.
Okay. Kala ko ano lang siya, parang ribbon. Parang ang saya tumingin ng mga pastry. Do you think pricey yan? Try natin. Okay. This is paradise tea. Chocolate croissant. Gusto ko yung creme brulee, kaya lang nakalagay siya sa ano. Ayan. Wala akong iwang nagustuhan. Creme brulee sa ano, kaya lang hindi siya pwedeng to go. So, saan na tayo pala? Doon? Okay. So, wala. Diretso kaming Beer Plaza. Magwawalwal ang koya niyo. Ayun. Is this for buffet only?
Yeah, only buffet.
Okay, buffet nga lang. Thank you. Pang buffet dinner lang. Fail. Fail ang beer ng tito nyo. Hanggang 5 p.m. lang pala pwede i-claim. Past 6 na 7 na nga yata. So, probably tomorrow. If may time pa.
Pangit naman ng free nila, ano? Parang
What the dog doing?